Good morning, students. This is Rohtaj Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today, we will continue our topic, properties of fluids. Next property is Newton's law of viscosity. It states that the shear stress on a fluid element layer is directly proportional to the rate of shear strain. The constant of proportionality is called the coefficient viscosity. Mathematically, it is expressed as by the equation 1.2. Fluids which obey the above relation are known as Newtonian fluids, and the fluids which do not obey the above relation are called non-Newtonian fluids. Variation of viscosity with temperature. टेम्परेचर कैसे इफेक्ट करता है विस्कोसिटी को? टेम्परेचर इफेक्ट्स द विस्कोसिटी, दैट विस्कोसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड्स डिक्रीजेस विद द इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर. अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा तो विस्कोसिटी जो है लिक्विड्स की डिक्रीज होगी, वाइल द विस्कोसिटी ऑफ गैसेस इंक्रीजेस. अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा तो गैसेस की विस्कोसिटी इंक्रीज होगी और लिक्विड्स की डिक्रीज होगी. This is due to reason that the viscous forces in a fluid are due to cohesive forces and molecular momentum transfer. In liquids, the cohesive forces predominates the molecular momentum transfer due to closely packed molecules and with the increase in temperature. The cohesive forces decreases with the result of decreasing viscosity. But in the case of gases, the cohesive force are small and molecular momentum transfer predominates. With the increase in temperature, molecular momentum transfer increase and hence viscosity increases. The relation between viscosity and temperature for liquids and gases are: for liquids, mu is equal to mu naught into 1 by 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Mu is the viscosity of liquid at T degree temperature in pounds, and mu naught viscosity of liquid at 0 degree centigrade in pounds. 1 pound is equal to 1 by 10 Newton second per meter square, and alpha and beta are the constants for the liquids. Now for water, mu naught 1.79 into 10 raised to power minus 3 pounds. Alpha is equal to 0.03368 and beta is equal to 0.000221. Mu is equal to mu naught plus alpha t minus beta t 2. Like for gas, alpha is 0.00000056 and beta is equal to 0.1189 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Okay, thank you students. These are properties of fluids.